Hey everybody, this is Teresa Maskery. I recently did a video about the reveal tic-tac-toe game that I made for my Vibe canvas that I use in my trainings. It's a way to reveal the question, answer it, and then if you get it right, to get your X or your O. And I thought I would do a tutorial to show you how I made it so that you can make your own. First thing you're going to need is somewhere to create your design. I tend to use PowerPoint. I'm just importing a table here. I'm choosing a 3x3. You can make tables in all sorts of programs. It doesn't have to be PowerPoint. And then you're going to resize your table to be basically a square. We want as much as possible, we want them to be squares. The important thing about the table you create is that the background must be white. The background of your canvas can be a different color if you want, but the table itself, we want white. I like to choose bright colors and thick lines for my table. If you're doing this in PowerPoint, make sure you click all borders so that that shows up. And that's basically it. I've added a 4x4 here so that I can play three people tic-tac-toe, and then I've got my 3x3 board here as well. So the next thing we need to do is we're going to put in text boxes. So I'm going to insert a text box here, and you can adjust these text boxes to be the sizes that you want. You can change the font size, you can center it, you can justify left. It's totally up to you. But what we're going to want to do is put in these questions in all of the boxes, and now we have our background. The next thing that we're going to do is save this as a PDF. We don't want it saved as a PowerPoint. Now, if you have more than one page or more than one slide in your PowerPoint, when you save it as a PDF, make sure you go to More Options, and then we want to go to Options again here, and then we're going to select Current Slide. That's really important, otherwise it's going to make several PDFs of all the slides you have there. But then we're just going to save that. And once that's saved, we can go over to our Vibe canvas and import it right there at the bottom with our plus sign. Take it from the computer. I selected my file and it brought it in for us. So this is our background. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our white pen, make sure you have it set to thick and it's set to white. This is why the background had to be white. And we are just going to cover over these things. This is all we're doing. We are just using the white pen to cover over all of the text. Once the text is covered, you can use your eraser. And the first person is going to erase the square, read the question. If they answer it correctly, then they're going to go select a different colored pen, probably red, let's say, and they can put their X. And then the next player takes the eraser, erases the next square, and if they get it right, they can add their O. And that's how the game plays, back and forth. We're just erasing the white pen. That's all we've done to this slide. And this works for lots of different activities. So I hope that was helpful to you. And if you like this, make sure to follow my YouTube page. And you can take advantage of my promotion code for $150 off your next Vibe board purchase.